to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on your device and make sure that you logged into your particular account. Once you're on the home feed of YouTube application, you simply need to scroll down and navigate to the video which you want to really download on your device. You can even tap the search icon at top right and search for the channel name which you want to download. Suppose, let's say if this is the video that I want to download for free without YouTube Premium, then you will see different options on this video like likes, share, remix, download, clip and many more. What you need to do is simply tap on download option and then you can easily select the download quality. And here you need to tap on download button at bottom right of this menu, and then this video will start downloading. You can tap on view button and then start or simply view that your YouTube video is being downloaded for free without YouTube Premium. So when it is completely downloaded, you can easily watch this YouTube videos for free and during offline as well. In this way, you can easily download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.